Hello, this is our presentation for Business 125, our midterm presentation. Our company is called Sonoran Synthesis. We are an organic skincare company. We are a small business that is dedicated to organic skincare products, and we utilize medicinal extracts from desert plants which have antiviral healing properties. Our products include chapstick, lip balm, soap, and auto diffusers. We hope to increase community awareness. Our customers are mostly health and earth conscious adults in the 18 to 35-year-old range. Both men and women should want to use our products as there is a increasing awareness regarding the benefits of organic personal care products over synthetic counterparts. There is a growing trend of consumers seeking out organic products due to factors such as environmental concerns and the harmful effects of chemicals. Our values and aspirations: we believe in the simple, not the complex. We want to go back to basics. We won't settle for anything less than excellence because we believe that what's being offered to the public right now is less than excellent, and that's not acceptable. We want to educate our customers as to the quality of our products. Our SWOT analysis: strengths, social media, print ads, direct marketing. Our target segment of the market will include street fairs, farmers markets, where people go to look for natural products. We bring value. Customers will find value in shopping locally and supporting local businesses. Some of our weaknesses could be that we have a small brand presence going into it. Opportunities: people like to use natural products where they know the origin of the ingredients, which in this case would be mostly local. At the beginning, our goal is to become 100% naturally, locally sourced. Threats: tactics a competitor may use is to create a price war, claim that products are better than ours, but I believe that our products speak for themselves, and we will be offering free samples. So, like I said, people can judge for themselves, and in my experience, my products are always ahead of the game. Some numbers: we got an average product profit of $2.85. There is quite a good markup on these products if you can source the ingredients in a cost-effective manner. Estimated startup budget is $5,170. Most likely to come from a small business loan. We're looking at gross profit from products at $37,070 minus the salaries, wages, marketing, and advertising. There would be a profit of $18,918. I may have said the gross before. I apologize. Marketing: Of course, we're going to have our e-commerce website, and we're going to do a tie-in with social and media platforms, since those are very popular and can also be extremely effective, as well as ads placed strategically where our target audience would be likely to see them. Our placement is craft fairs, farmers markets, and swap meets, so we're going to be having some good signage at those locations. Also offer products on Etsy or Artfire, maybe eventually get into some organic supermarkets. There are some regulations regarding cosmetics. Ingredients need to be listed from the most to least used. This is according to INCI guidelines. Quantity of the product needs to be listed, usually by weight. Usually they'll include United States form of measurement or European metrics, sometimes both, depending on if you want to get into that market. The maker of the product must be listed, as well as a physical address. And this is an example of what a proper label should look like. And as you can see, the ingredients are not only listed in the common but scientific name for ease of understanding. The weight, and then at the bottom you've got the name of the company and where they can be reached, and there's also a website, which I think is a really good opportunity for people to research the product and see what we're all about as a company. I want to thank our group, which is myself, Brian Renard. I'm doing product development, Lori Klein, marketing, and Elena. She's operations. Thank you very much.